Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Summer.
Hello roadies, Merry Christmas. As I mentioned in the video before about the eggnog being non-dairy, I will be adding the full recipe of the original version that I use, which uses cow milk, and the whipping cream if you want it thicker. However, I'm going to be doing it with non-dairy this time around, and I will be using almond milk this time. Sometimes I even use the coconut milk. So if you're allergic to nuts and you can't do the almond milk, coconut milk works just fine. But as I said, if you're trying to keep it non-dairy, then the coconut milk and almond milk will make it kind of thin. And so you can use tapioca flour and that kind of thing to thicken it up if you want it a little bit thicker. So it's totally up to you. This recipe is so easy and versatile that you can do it any which way that you would like. And also, I'm going to reiterate again, since we do not drink, I will be using rum flavoring instead of the actual rum. So I have no clue what the ratio for the rum would be if you're not using the rum flavoring and you are going to use rum. I'm going to just assume that you do it by taste when it comes to that, and there's not an actual measurement for it. And so on that note, I hope that you enjoy it and that you continue to have success in your travels and whatever it is that you're trying to do in your life. And we will be sharing our news of our next work camper assignment very soon. And just to remember to stay safe out there, and if you're in the winter cold, be safe and warm. And we will just hope to see you out there someday. Merry Christmas, and we love you all.